I told you. That's there, bro.
All right, stay here. Stay here.
Thank you.
I might need you. Stay here, because I may need you. Young lady, do you have a firearm on you? Did you get into an altercation? Were you fired off a gun?
I did not fire him off. He fired him off. His girl. Whatever the fuck he is.
Stay over there.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, please stay the fuck away from me.
Okay.
I didn't do shit. You got your fucking people back. Look, I have everything on my fucking phone.
Let me see your phone. Let me see.
Everything's
Show
on
me.
my phone.
Show me who shot a gun. Show me.
I didn't have the video, but I have all this fucking proof on.
Show me your proof that somebody shot the gun.
Written fucking proof. This
Do you have ID first of all?
I have a temporary. This fucker, he's been calling me, threatening me. I'll be back. I'll be back. Oh. And then he calls me, and he's like, he starts showing me around to all these fucking people. This is her. This is
Who
her.
shot the gun?
That bitch in there, the fucking Mexican, with the fucking bag.
Okay. Where did she shoot a gun at?
Towards me. Fucking piece of shit. Fucking lucky
Wait over
I
there
wasn't
for
still
me.
overseas. I fucking shot her ass.
Okay, sir, go wait over there. I don't need you on top of us.
I'm sorry, but my PTSD from overseas is fucking.
I'm going to ask you to go wait. I know. Okay, we'll deal with that, but I just got to ask you to wait over there. I've asked you 3 times.
I don't know. I mean, all I could tell you
Okay,
is
well, we're
going to
look at the video out here and see who shot what.
All right.
You had no gun?
I do not.
They searched her bag and found ammunition.
You got bullets?
Yeah.
What are the bullets for? That's big. 357 mag?
They also found illegal drugs inside.
It's got a scale, it's got some weed. It's looking for a gun.
It's Phoenix 1052, nonviolent.
All right, I think we're still under.
Let me grab those.
What are these?
Those are M30s. Is this in her property?
Yep.
Give me your hand.
Don't be stupid. Ah! She's got a fuck!
925 David, 998.
Don't be stupid.
She's got a gun.
She's got a fuck!
Okay, it's gone.
924 Adam, 998.
She's got a scale, she's got some weed. I don't know what's in here. I was looking for a gun, but.
Phoenix 1052, nonviolent.
All right, I think we're still under. Oh, we got some.
Grab those.
What are these?
Those are M30s.
To be honest with you, I don't know.
Is this in her property?
Yep, that's all her stuff. Don't be stupid. She's got a fuck!